housemates who were all Irish speakers, and the dynamic in our apartment then nearly had to shift to English because of me, because I just didn't have that exposure to the language yet. A lot of people in my course were either from the Gaeltacht, they had went to Gael schools themselves, or, you know, Irish was, you know, quite a language of the home. I had none of that. I literally had none of that. So I felt a bit like an alien. I felt a bit out of place. And then also I was like, God, like this thing, like this, it's not just that I'm a person who speaks Irish. It's the persona of an Irish speaker. And that's impacted by your background, your growing up, your community, your link to other aspects of Irish culture, like, you know, the music and everything. And I played trad and everything, but I just didn't feel like an Irish speaker. I didn't feel like I was that person. I was just a person who spoke Irish, and suddenly found myself in this course. And it was tough, to be honest. I did consider for a long time changing over to the English version of my course, but then COVID came around. And I think COVID was genuinely my saving grace, because college moved online. So there wasn't as much pressure.